I'm about to give you the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing and earning a big old commission. Well, in today's video, I'm going to deep dive into the affiliate marketing world and provide you with the ultimate guide to success. So get ready to learn how to monetize your online presence, build a passive income stream, and skyrocket your earnings. Let's get started.
Introducing My Lock Bomb, your one-stop destination for all things lock care and accessories. Get ready to unleash the full potential of your hair with our incredible products launching March 15th. Experience the magic of our innovation with the Lock Lint Limiter, keeping your locks looking flawless. Or our premium hair oil, specially formulated to nourish and moisturize your hair, leaving it feeling soft, healthy, and oh so luxurious. Elevate your style with our stunning hair jewelry. My Lock Bomb launching March 15th. Visit mylockbomb.com and follow us on all social media platforms at My Lock Bomb.
What is affiliate marketing? By now you should guys know, or at least some of you have a general idea. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn commission by promoting other people's products or services. It's a win-win situation where you drive sales to a company and in return they give you either a share or of what you sold or what you got people to buy, or just a percentage. You get some money to help them sell their stuff, you get some money. So finding the right affiliate program. Now to start earning big commissions, you need to find the right affiliate program that aligns with not only your niche, but your target audience. So researching different affiliate networks and platforms like, the general ones, Amazon Associates, ShareSale, and then ClickBank. Those are some top ones that most people know about. If you ever sign up with one of those affiliate marketing platforms, what you do is look for products or services that resonate with you, resonate with your audience, something that's on brand, something with also a generous commission rate. From there, you want to build your online presence. The internet is not going away anytime soon. This is something people need to start getting on board with, period. So one key factor in affiliate marketing success is building a strong online presence. Create a website or a blog where you can react and engage with your audience through social media. You can analyze their behavior. That way you can better cater your affiliate products and services, ultimately helping you tailor your content and recommendations to their specific needs and interests, and increasing the likeliness of a conversation. Curate compelling content. It's gotten to a point where content is king in affiliate marketing. Produce high quality content that adds value to your audience lives. Write informative blog posts, create engaging videos, record insightful podcasts, incorporate affiliate links naturally into your content, and always disclose your affiliate partnerships accurately. Nowadays, people don't want in your face, this video was sponsored by dude. They want a natural, oh, I love this video game, and your channel has nothing to do with games at all, but all of a sudden you're promoting an app game. It doesn't make sense. Natural is better. Another thing people miss out on is leveraging email marketing. Now, email marketing is a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. Building an email list by offering valuable incentives such as ebooks or exclusive content. Send regular newsletters to your subscribers. Provide them with valuable insight, products, recommendations, and exclusive promotions. Cultivate a relationship of trust and credibility with your audience. That's also very important. Utilizing social media. Social media platforms offer immersive opportunities for affiliate marketing. Leverage platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok to showcase the products you're promoting. Create compelling visuals, engaging videos, and tutorials that will highlight what you're promoting. And whatever you do not forget the actual affiliate link you should be posting with your content. Another important factor is to track and analyze. So to maximize your affiliate marketing process, you need to track and analyze your performance. That way you know what worked and don't work in short. So utilizing your tracking tools and analyzing your platforms to monitor your clicks, conversions, and revenue. This is also important to the companies that want you to promote their things. They want to know like how engaged is your audience. The more engaged your audience is, the more the companies want to work with you. The data you collect will help you identify what works and what you need to improve on. allowing you to optimize your strategy results better. In conclusion, this is the ultimate affiliate marketing guide that will help you earn big commission and build a sustainable online income. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is like any other business. It requires dedication, patience, and the overall desire to help your audience, to help your customers, to help people that you're trying to give this service or product to. So focus on building trust, which is an important thing with your audience, and providing value and aligning with yourself and your brand, because people like genuineness. Start implementing these strategies and unlocking the door to financial freedom. Catch you on the flip side.